rentals over here are not too awesome. 22, 23.
Oh, kadakol baka.
It's hot. It's other sale here.
Kadakol dumaning horses dahil hiling. Baik di kami sa
This is
up
the
the
one,
hill.
This is the road that comes from in and out.
Banda ko itong harong nasa taas. Oh, yun, may baka din igdi kadakol.
It's a bit.
Unin na kami sa taas. Woo! Hindi mo yung mga harong na yan. Oh, ganda, grabe yung harong. Kadakol pa ding space igdi naroon na rin may mga harong na igdi.
A lot for sales. Four Seasons.
Four Seasons.
That's old part. Which is Rivian. Oh, the one side.
Okay, this is the mall. And
And on the
they have
left is the big part.
Montana. We're here in Montano. Montano pala.
Montaño.
Pag hindi ka daan naka-star, mayamang ka. Hindi kami malaog. Target?
Okay, this
Hindi
is
hindi din Target. Kung yan may Target sinda dyan. May Target sinda. Target Mall here in El Dorado Hills. May busy sin doon. Ano yung parking. Ay, sa may likod pala nila.
where I went to buy the chain. That one in front?
Yeah?
It looks like, yeah. Park around here, we can walk around. Or they got the Rivian. That's the parking.
What is
there.
that? Is a hotel?
Yeah, hotel.
Ayun yung sinihan, Regal Cinema, 14 Max.
See,
Restaurant.
Restaurants. Mimosa
Yun lang, paluwas na.
Hotel.
Ganyan mga hotel.
Nice.
Wow.
The parking.
Yes. For sure, they're expensive. Oh, this is your home. Your home. We belong here because we are Mercedes. Charat.
See, look at that. All those
Wow.
ones. Nice ones. The expensive ones. All of, these are the cheaper.
Yun ay nang moligdi. Arab ka iyan.
Ace Hardware.
Dahil ka malaog sa laog. Nasa luwas lang sila. Marketplace, Veterinary Hospital. They have golden one. Starbucks, of course. Because they're social, they should have Starbucks.
Just like that.
They have Valero.
And gas station.
Gas station. Station. Yun lang ang kanilang mall. That's all. We just check the mall. Yung duman ng panda,
There's Panda.
Panda.
This is where
May nagdadalaga na aki duman. Sige, pag ika nabunggo dyan. Oh, ini ang sentro. Ay, hali na pala kami igdi.
look at the stop signs.
Ayan pala ang panda. Ayan ang mga di stores.
Adagio.
Kung maglakaw. May mga store, mga boutique.
Renaissance.
And maganda ko rin pagbanggi.
Jesus. Impatient. You wanna walk?
Ano ba? Yung mainiton, papalakawan ako ni bossing. Slow down. Ay, cute naman ang bridge ninda. May flower.
We could sit there for a while.
Yeah. May river sinda dyan.
Look at that.
Mas magandang river, American River.
Yeah, look at this.
Ang hotel?
Those are the hotels.
Ayan, ang ganda. Wow, nice. If we have condo like here. Like, next door.
Those are
The
it.
cinema.
Everything.
Ay, nako.
Filling. Clam chowder in the
Paluwas na
Red
kami.
Bull.
Oh, boat for sale.
Yes.
Kaya po yung tabaha. Yaw na kami sa mountain.
See that house up there?
Yeah.
I know, but
Ayan ang bukid
if
dito.
that's, well, to me it's old, but to you, but that's good. Be sure that all your houses, you don't have the fire danger. New main roads, yeah, private communities up here, hills. The old El Dorado is old line. School over on this side, on the left. Looks like a park. Look at that. That's supposed to be the big school.